Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I'm making a couple of videos on doing the inner and outer tie rods on a 2008 to 2013 Highlander Tahoe hybrid, Chevy Tahoe hybrid. So the tie rods are different than the regular tie rods on the Tahoes. I went into the inner tie rods, that is. I went into AutoZone. The inner tie rods. I'm hoping the outer tie rods are the same, although I have my doubts at this point, but I'm crossing my fingers they are the same. It should be. Anyway, I had such a hard time trying to find the inner tie rods because they're just a different size. I got a whole entire kit for the suspension, the upper control arm, the inner tie rods. The tie rod for this, first of all, it's not very hard. Okay, you guys see the tie rod? You guys see the tie rod here? It's not very difficult to take out. All you guys gotta do is anyway, maybe I should do a bunch of different videos for this. Anyway, as you guys can see, the inner tie rod was pretty loose. The outer tie rod wasn't, but it doesn't really matter at this point because I'm doing the whole entire tie rod. So anyway, the outer tie rod on this vehicle, the inner tie rod on this vehicle has a larger, what is this called, head, but this section, what's it like, where the threads are smaller than the regular. The regular Tahoe inner tie rods are different because this portion is smaller, but the heads are bigger. It is what it is. I had to definitely check this out. Chevy dealership wanted 140 for it, and these places didn't have any of these in stock, so I had to I ordered it. AutoZone, Advanced Auto didn't even have these. There's a whole entire selection of it, and I gotta tell you, that whole entire selection did not have had these. All right, they said they do, and it matches the car, but it didn't. So anyway, just want to make a video of that.